In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your microphone settings on Slack for both Windows and Mac. Whether you're working from home or participating in a virtual meeting, ensuring your microphone is correctly configured is key to seamless communication. Let's dive in and explore how you can make these adjustments quickly and easily. First, let's start with Slack on Windows. Open your Slack application to get started. You'll want to look towards the left corner where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, which is a gateway to several important settings. From this menu, select Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences menu, direct your attention to the sidebar. There, you'll see a section labeled Audio and Video. Go ahead and click on it to reveal more specific options related to your microphone and camera. Now, here's the crucial part. Under Microphone, you'll see a drop-down menu featuring all the microphones connected to your computer. Take a moment to select the microphone you'd like to use. Changing this setting can be particularly helpful if you have multiple audio devices, such as a headset, an external microphone, or even the built-in one. Make sure you choose the device that best suits your needs. And remember, you can always change this later if you acquire new equipment or your setup changes. Let's not forget the Mac users. If you're using Slack on a Mac, the process is quite similar. Start by opening up the Slack app. Just like on Windows, you'll want to find your profile image in the upper left corner. When you click on it, you'll see the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences menu, look for the same Audio and Video section in the sidebar and click on it. The same drop-down menu under Microphone will appear, listing all available audio input options. Choose the microphone that fits your setup best. Perhaps it's a high-quality USB mic for professional meetings or your AirPods for quick calls. Don't hesitate to test your microphone after making these changes to ensure it's working as expected. You can often find testing options within Slack or your computer's sound settings. As a final tip, remember to regularly check your microphone settings, especially if you notice any audio issues during calls or meetings. Sometimes system updates or new software installations can alter your settings without your knowledge. By keeping an eye on this, you'll maintain clear, professional communication on Slack. So, there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your microphone settings on Slack for both Windows and Mac. With these adjustments, you're all set for a better and clearer audio experience while collaborating with your team. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time.